So today I am going to show you how to install Kubernetes cluster on Red Hat. So I have created my machine on AWS EC2. This is Red Hat. You can see this. So this is the machine I have created. There is one more machine I will be using as a worker node. So let's quickly start. So what I am doing, I am using I found this blog which is I think very good, and I will be following this. So let's start. I'll start from the beginning. So just need to follow, nothing much to do. I'll paste you this URL, this blog into the link so that you will be able to follow it. So either you have this option or you can just do the second option. So I'll go with the second option. Alright, now this is not needed because mine is already interconnected to each other, all the services, all the ports and everything is open and both are in the same network, so I don't need to configure this host and other thing. I will just straight away go and install this. This is very easy to set up. Just we need to follow what is given. This is also again not required because for me within the EC2 host everything is open. So I'll just move ahead with the others. So let's do the other part. Need to add this to value. That's it. Now I'll run this too. Okay. Alright. I will also send you how to create EC2 instance Red Hat in AWS server, which I already have done in my previous video. So I'll share you the link how to create EC2 instance in Linux, in AWS. Just follow the instruction, it won't take much time. Okay, export this. Now let's run this command. Alright, let's install this. We'll have few more detailed video after the installation is done. We'll try to do some activity on Kubernetes and I'll just post you those video also. So this is just an installation, quick installation. So we'll be doing this quickly. Once this will install, we'll just enable this CRIO. Okay. We are starting it. Now we'll install Kubernetes packages. Now let's install that Kubernetes packages. You need to edit that file and just paste this here. Now just run this command. Might take some time again. Then we'll perform this. All right. Let's start this. Okay, so you can see this message. This says it's installed successfully, and keep this somewhere. All right, now this is done. Then you need to make these directories. Okay, anyway this option is not there, so that's fine. We'll move to other step. All right, this will check. Okay, creating container, running. It should be, everything should be running. You can check again. Yeah, it's running. Still one is pending. Let it complete. Can also have multiple option. This also looks fine. Just follow this also looks fine. Just follow this tutorial. This will be fine. Yeah, you see now everything is running. Now we need to set up the worker node. So we need to follow until 1 to step 6, same on the worker node. So let's do it. This is my worker node. Let's start from the beginning again. Start from here. Actually I had set up already, so I am doing it second time just to show you. Okay, we will use this one, so this will directly change it. Okay, this is not needed. This is not needed. We will do this one. Put this value. We are repeating the same thing. So up to step 6, your worker, you need to work on the worker. Just follow this document, is very good. No need to do anything. Yes, just proceed further. Okay, Now the next part is the last part. Let's add this in the repo. All right, just start. This thing we have done, or okay, this one we need to do there also. All right, now we'll follow the step. This one was done. Yeah, so we need to use this, adding the worker node. So we are in the worker node. This is the worker node. From worker node you need to run, you copied pasted. Okay, now you can see this node is join the cluster. So now if you run this command, you see join the cluster. If you see the get node command from the master, just run this command. So you can see there is 2 node. So that's it for today. Now I'll create the next video to do the more configuration and run some container on the Kubernetes. So thanks for watching the video. Please do subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you.